In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your Wix website by adding a custom cursor icon. This process is a fantastic way to add a unique touch to your website, making the user experience more engaging and memorable. So let's dive into the steps. The first thing you want to do is navigate to your Wix Studio. Once inside, you'll see a range of options in the editor that let you customize various aspects of your website. For our project today, we're going to focus on adding custom code. To do this, look for the section usually located under Settings or something similar depending on your version. You'll see an option to add custom code. This is where the magic happens. Now, why add custom code? Custom code allows you to perform special functions and incorporate features that aren't inherently available in the basic editor. It's a useful tool for those looking to have a bit more control and add unique features like a custom cursor. Now let's move on to uploading your cursor icon. Before you can use the icon, make sure it's prepared in the correct format. Typically, a PNG design with a transparent background works best. Once your icon is ready, head over to the media section of your Wix Studio. Here, you'll find the option to upload your content. Click the upload button and select your cursor icon. This will add it into your media library, making it easily accessible for later use. Once your icon is uploaded, you'll want to integrate this image through the custom code. Head back to the code section we discussed earlier. Here you'll be doing a little bit of coding magic. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Use CSS to link your custom cursor icon. This is done by defining the CSS property for your page's cursor and pointing it to your uploaded icon's URL in your media library. If you're comfortable with CSS, this should be straightforward, but make sure to double check your paths and URLs, as any mistakes here could cause your icon not to display correctly. Now that you've linked your icon, it's time to enable this on your site. Within the custom code dialog, ensure that you've indicated the specific pages or entire site if you want your visitors to experience this new cursor everywhere on your website. Once that's set, save your changes. Finally, preview your site to ensure everything is working as intended. Navigate through a few pages to verify that your custom cursor appears smoothly and adjusts accordingly. And just like that, you've successfully added a personalized cursor to your Wix site. Whether you're using this feature to highlight a creative brand aesthetic or simply to add a playful touch, custom cursors can significantly enhance your website's personality. Don't hesitate to get creative and explore other possibilities within the custom code editor. Thanks for following along, and happy customizing.